Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen, and on today's episode we'll be flying on the way to Somalia. Guys, imagine we made this delicious malawa. Guys, if you're there and you're watching me and you never knew that you can put your crepe spices, what are you still doing? Okay, you're missing out. Imagine we've made 6 or 7 malawas, and imagine from just 250 ml flour. Guys, this is a very economical recipe. It smells so nice, and chances of you not acing in this recipe are very minimal, because honestly this was my first time making these malawas. Okay, hey, and I won't tell you like how the results were. I will just let my results speak for me. That is just what I will do. I will just be humble and just let the results speak for me. Okay, yeah, okay, I will just let such results speak on my behalf. Okay, yeah, so thank you so much, and let's go to Somalia. Let's go. Buckle up. Malawa recipe. We'll need some wheat flour. Okay, and guys, okay, so you know, some recipes, even though I'm a food traveler, some recipes don't give me so much tension, because I've made something close to this, because I've made crepes before. Okay, and so, but the only thing is that I've never spiced them, so let's wait and see how it goes. So I've used 250 ml of flour here, but personally I just prefer measuring with my own eyes. Okay, so for the sugar I've just put what is enough, and then, like guys, the weird bit is that you can decide to either use, imagine I saw some people using either cardamom spice or cinnamon spice, but for me I am using some cardamom spice. Okay, yeah, so cardamom spice, in it goes. Okay, and then we'll also need some milk. But personally guys, I'm a person who I'm allergic to eggs, so I won't put eggs in this recipe for today. Okay, so just pardon me, today we're not putting any eggs. So there's some people who I saw that you should, try and incorporate the dry ingredients. I think, guys, they're usually those people who love making their milk look better than others. So I am mixing the dry ingredients perfectly. I really love the taste. By the way, guys, let me tell you, I do not love cinnamon spice, but I am addicted to cinnamon spice. I really love cinnamon spice. So let me go and fetch some milk, okay, so that it can be creamy. Let me tell you, anytime that you make crepes, please never use hot liquid. By liquid I mean, there are recipes which, like, you can either use water, milk, hey, please never use hot liquids. Please, at time, like, I boiled milk, and then I decided, okay, since people say that I have the best pancakes in the world, I'm definitely going to make them pancakes. And I don't know why I decided to use the hot boiling milk. Let me tell you, the mixture started acting as if it's cooking, and it was just in a bowl like this. It started acting as if it's cooking already. Like, guys, it started really misbehaving. Maybe okay, so I want to mix this. And guys, if you're a person who doesn't love eggs, don't tense. I'm sure you're going to ace this. I am so confident. And we'll also need some butter. Guys, imagine, for this recipe I've seen people using either butter or ghee, and for me this time I have some homemade butter, and I also even make some homemade ghee. Guys, imagine. Wow. So for that consistency, though it is not the best, I want to add in more milk so that it can be, can you see this? This is how I check my butter. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to add a little bit of milk so that we can continue. So the secret is that you just add in bits, okay? Yeah. So you add and then you mix well. But you see, before you mix everything well, you might think that maybe you've put a lot of milk, but that might not be the case, okay? Can you see some changes? After you continue mixing, like you have to ensure that the milk goes to every part. Okay. Yeah, I think it's now okay. Right now, it is good to go. This one is good. Can you see? Like there's no milk, like there's no milk, any milk liquid like floating, okay? Yeah, that is how you know that you've done a good job, okay? Yeah, let's go. That you should ensure that your pan is well heated up, okay? I'm just crossing my fingers that we ace this recipe. Maybe we should first put butter. There's no one thing with Google traveling, you might get confused. Okay, so this butter, I don't know why it's a giving. Let me just use normal oil. You know, we had some electricity shortage for like 2 days, so maybe it spoiled. So I'm just going to like throw away that batch and make another batch. But that is still okay because you know we've not used any preservatives, so you expect such things. Anytime it rains in Kenya, like you just expect that, you know, electricity. You might have electricity shortage. Like high chances are that you will have electricity problems. So after swirling our pan with some oil, I'm going to add some malawa. By the way, do they call it malawa? And it even has an extra, which is malawax. But imagine guys, I know a little bit of Somali. I know Hoyo means mother. Oh my god. And they also love dressing this, so does that guarantee me to be a Somalian? Oh my god. So I just want them to be as slender. Because I don't prefer thick crepes. And since these ones look like crepes, I think I can also say that I don't love thick malawa. Okay, so I'm just going to like let it cook. Let it cook, guys. By the agent that you make pancakes, if you don't let it cook, yeah, it might stick. So I'm just going to let that cook, and I'm just crossing my fingers that the first one is going to come out perfect. Perfecto, perfecto. So, hey. Is that a fail? Oh my god, this one, hey, it can't be a fail. There's a part where some, you see, you have this tail. The best thing is to remove it. That's how you try and salvage it. Like that. I really love about the malawa. Imagine like the kitchen is so filled up with a good, like with good flavors. Maybe somebody might even think that you're making stew. You know? Guys, imagine this is still the first one. I told you that you should not lose hope. You can always salvage your first one. Okay? Look at that. Look at that. Look at the brownish spots. Guys, this one looks so good. You already feel now like I'm already confident. I feel like a pro. You see that this mixture, you never used any machine, and the mixture itself, it doesn't have any candles. So the secret is you can try use a fork. But times, even I don't know, anytime that I'm even making like Kenyan crepes, I even use a spoon. I can just use whatever. I think I'm just perfect in crepes. Yeah. I'm feeling myself anyway. And I'm just crossing my fingers that these others are going to be good. If they are perfect, then I'll be so happy. Okay? Because when you're cooking these things, only the first one should disappoint you, according to me. But if you find yourself being disappointed with the third one, up to the last one, oh my god, you'll feel sad, and you'll even feel as if you'll never make these things again. Okay? But we are cruising on nicely. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Ooh. So if you're a Somalian over here and you're watching me and you want some malawa, delivered at your doorstep, comment down below and tell me. Guys, I'm so proud of myself, honestly. Imagine it's eggless. You know, the way eggs are now very expensive here in Kenya, I couldn't afford eggs today, plus I don't really love eggs. And they look nice, so I think I'm not a pro. Okay? Should I start some masterclass? Should I start some, some masterclass classes? Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at that. You see that it's cooking well? Very nice, very cutie, very demure. And then, okay, I saw that you should cook it on medium to low heat so that your malawa can cook well, okay? Yeah, so always remember to cook on medium to low heat. That is why it may not take a lot of time, and that is how it should be, so that you don't go and start enjoying some raw things, okay? Yeah, in this channel we are honest. We don't hide some things so that if you go and try out some recipes, they backfire and then you feel sad, okay? So always try and cook your crepes or malawas in medium to low heat and let them cook well, okay? Yeah. So, I'm so proud of myself. Hey, making them the first time and they're coming out so good. I feel so skilled. And just like that, with 1 cup of 250 ml flour, hey, I need to show you guys what we have all made. Look at it. Look at this. And we've made quite a big number. Like, guys, this recipe is very economical. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So if you have like 3 people, they can definitely enjoy them. Guys, I need you guys to look at this. Look at this banger. Yummy. So thank you so much for watching. See you on the next travel. Bye.